Have you ever read a word so often that it seems to have lost all meaning? For instance, what does essay even mean? Better question yet, why do university students write essays? In this presentation, we will explore three features of an essay: the necessity of research, the communication age, the importance of essay writing, and different types of essays. A magazine article, movie review, academic article, and research paper all have something in common. They all have a thesis or a main point to make about a particular subject. The point of an essay is to construct an informed argument on something of interest. Everything you put into an essay should be deliberate and informed. All essays should consist of three main features: a main point, or thesis, a clear direction for an intended audience, and a purpose. Picture this scenario. You have begun to tackle an essay by thinking of ideas related to the assignment guidelines. The only problem is that you have no idea what to do next. You read over the assignment guidelines and look over your assigned readings. There are a few questions you come up with that you think may be interesting enough to answer, but how are you supposed to answer a question when you have only some related knowledge? That is where doing research and reading source material comes in. A crucial part of essay writing is to develop the skills to find the appropriate information to answer a question. Essay writing assimilates and builds upon your research in order to help you understand a subject. Essay writing also develops your skills to answer a question with no obvious answer. You may have some background knowledge, but if you do not have reputable sources to back up your claims, then how many people will believe you? And if you do use information from unreliable sources, how many people will believe your future claims? A lot of times, you will have to research multiple sources with differing viewpoints and find the best fit to answer a complex question. The dawn of the communication age makes gathering information extremely accessible, especially when it comes to the internet. What does this mean to you as a university graduate and employee? The Modern Languages Association states that it is difficult to think of any profession that would not require you to consult sources of information about a specific subject, to combine this information with your ideas, and to present your thoughts, findings, and conclusions effectively. In the workforce, the information that you do know is not as important as how you find the information that you do not know. This is something to keep in mind for life outside of university. Let's take a look at why essay writing is such an important skill. You are able to examine multiple points of view and then take a position, which results in the development of critical thinking skills. Show your understanding of the material through specific reasoning, examples, and conclusions. Indicate to the reader that you can organize information clearly and relevantly. Refine your writing skills so that you are able to write on any topic using reasoned argument and appropriate sources. Prepare you for the real world. Incorporating feedback into your work and structuring ideas for different audiences are both important practices in the workforce. There are many different types of essays, including expository, persuasive, and personal. Each essay has a specific focus and way of writing. Instructors may ask you to analyze, critique, describe, or evaluate. These terms all have a subtly different meaning from one another. So, what is the point of writing different types of essays? Looking at issues from varying perspectives increases your understanding and allows you to answer different types of questions. Some people may argue that essays serve no real purpose after graduation, since many people will likely never be assigned another essay again. However, the point is that the skills you develop from writing essays will aid you in your future career, and in many life events that require you to make informed decisions. Take a look at the other Prezi in the Writing Academic series to further explore the topic of academic writing.